Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have something super fun. We have a 5 surprise mini brands. I love these because not only do you get a cool little toy inside, they're also perfect accessories for both your Barbie and your American Girl doll, depending on the size. There are over 100 little mini brands to collect. So let's go ahead and get this ball open and see what we have. I am so excited. One. Oh, this one is stuck. Hold on. There we go. Tight. Get that open. There is our ball. Perfect. And then we will fold this little flap up. Oh my goodness, this one is stuck. Let's see. Why isn't it opening? All right, I'm just going to rip this off. Okay, now we should be able to open this a whole lot easier. There it goes. So 1, 2. Oh, I just ripped that one. 4 and 5. So there is our mini brands. It's like a Terry's chocolate orange. When it's all folded up, it's a cute little ball. So let's get started and see what we have. Let's go with this first one that I punctured. No way! This is so cute. It's a little Hawaiian tropic. This is perfect for your American Girl doll bathroom. It's a bit big for Barbie, but it's perfect for your American Girls. That's why I love these. Let's open up the second one. I love these. Okay, here we go. There is the checklist. And it's a box of moon pies. Again, think of how cute this will look in your doll's pantry or her grocery store. This one is banana flavored. Oh my goodness, I just love these. Let's go on to number 3, and it's the little mini shopping basket. Okay. All right, these are fun. They're not my favorite. I would much rather have the little brands. There's the stickers and the little shopping basket with the instructions. And these are okay for your Barbies. So as long as you have multiple dolls, these are perfect. Okay, we have 2 left. Let's see. No, it is. I already have this one. The Skippy peanut butter. You know what I wished? I wish these things would open, but they don't. How cute. Again, perfect for your American Girl doll. Our dolls are making out fantastic. All right, ready for the last one? Here it goes. Oh, I'm so excited. It's Airheads. Again, these are perfect. I love this because you can feel. See how there's something in there? I know it's just foam, but the detail, the barcode, so cute. Same thing with the peanut butter here. And again here on the back of the tropic oil. Oh, I love it. So in this one, we got 4 things for our American Girl and 1 shopping basket for Barbie. That's it for this time, guys. I'll see you next time.